How do I switch my SIM card on AT&T?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps on how to switch your SIM card on AT&T. This process can come in handy when you've got a new phone, your old SIM card is damaged, or you've received a replacement SIM card from AT&T.
What you will need.
To begin, you will need your new SIM card that you want to activate, your AT&T phone where you want to install the new SIM card, a SIM card removal tool, usually included in your phone's box, or a small paper clip.
Removing the old SIM card.
1. First, make sure to turn off your phone. 2. Locate the SIM card slot on your phone. It is usually on the side of the phone or under the battery. 3. Insert the SIM card removal tool or the end of a small paper clip into the small hole next to the SIM card slot. 4. The SIM card tray should pop out. Carefully remove the SIM card tray and take out your old SIM card. Remember to store it in a safe place.
Installing the new SIM card.
1. Now, place your new SIM card into the SIM card tray. Make sure the orientation matches the illustration on the tray. 2. Then, carefully reinsert the SIM card tray into your phone. 3. Turn on your phone.
Activating the new SIM card.
1. After you've installed the new SIM card, you will need to activate it through AT&T. 2. You can do this online through AT&T's official website. Log into your account, then navigate to the My Devices section and follow the prompts to activate your new SIM card. 3. Or you can do this over the phone. Dial 611 from your AT&T phone, or call AT&T's customer service line directly and follow the automated prompts to activate your new SIM card. And that's it. You've successfully switched your SIM card on AT&T. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to contact AT&T's customer service for help. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching.